Hey crochet lovers! Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to see the super simple and easy pattern which I've made only with 2 stitches, a single crochet and double crochet, and it's repetition of only 2 rows. So let's start making the super simple and easy pattern. Alright, for this pattern I am using 100% cotton yarn. One is of light yellow color. You can say the shade is a mango shade, and this is somewhat a darker shade, 2 shades darker. This is dark yellow color, and a crochet hook of size and taking 3.25 mm. You can take the shades as per your choice. I'm trying to make this pattern in 2 colors, which will look beautiful. And crochet hook, you can take size as per the yarn. Now I'm starting with my darker shade first with a foundation chain of odd numbers, which is 57. I'm taking. You can take any odd number. Okay, sorry, I have mentioned chain of 57 plus 3, but here I've made chain of 51, foundation 51 chain plus 1, because I have to start in a pattern, so I have to take particular number of chain stitches. But if you're making this pattern for a bag or your patchwork, then any odd number would do. So here I've made 51 plus 1 add-on chain. Now from the second chain, in the second chain from the hook, I'll start making my single crochet. A single crochet from the second chain of the hook. I'll complete in the similar manner. I'll show you once. I'll insert my hook, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on my hook, pulling the yarn through both the loops, and my single crochet is completed this way. So in total, after the end of this row, I should have 51 single crochet. I'll complete this row and I'll see you at the end of the round. Here I've completed 1 row of single crochet. For the next row, the second row, I'll make a turning chain of chain 3, which would count as 1 double crochet. In the second stitch onwards, I'll make 4 more double crochet. In grabbing my yarn, inserting the hook inside the stitch, pulling up the yarn. There are 3 loops on my hook, pulling the yarn through first 2 and pulling the yarn through the rest of the 2. This completes my 1 double crochet. So 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochet at the start I have made. Now 2 chains, skipping 2 stitches from bottom. In the third one I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, skipping 2 chains from the bottom. In a row I'll make 4 double crochet in 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, skipping 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, skipping 1, 2, skipping 2 stitches from the bottom. I'll make 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So likewise I'll keep repeating this round till the end, and in the end you should end up by doing 5 double crochet here, because we started with 5 double crochet. For particular patch we have to follow this pattern of 5 double crochet, but if you're making the similar pattern in rounds, So you should end up either by making 2 loops or 4 double crochet. If you're starting with 2 loops at the start in the round pattern, you should end up by doing 4 double crochet. But this we are making a patch. I'm showing you a pattern, so I'll be ending up with 5 double crochet. I'll complete this round. You also complete this along with me. I'll see you at the end of the round to tell you what we have to do next. Here I've completed my round and I've ended up doing 5 double crochet. See, in the basic round of 1 single crochet, even if you're lacking with one of the stitches, so what you can do is you can adjust by making 2 double crochet. Like I have adjusted, I was lacking by one chain stitch, so I have made 2 double crochet in one stitch here. So likewise you can manage anywhere in between, but not in the very first or the last stitch, because it would not give a pretty good look. It will not give a balanced look from the sides. Now round 3, for this I'll make a turning chain of 3 and 4 double crochets in a row, because these 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. So this is my second, third, fourth and fifth. So this third row you have to repeat exactly as second row, making 2 chains and 1 double crochet on 1 double crochet here, making 2 chains, 4 double crochet on 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 2 chains, 1 double crochet on 1 double crochet, 2 chains, again 4 double crochet. So likewise you have to keep repeating this round exactly as round 2 you have to make round 3. I'll see you at the end of the round to tell you what we have to do in the next round. So here I've completed my third round, and now I'll change my color. If you want to continue with the similar color you can, but now I want to change my color. So I'll keep these 2 loops remain on my hook, and I'll grab my another color yarn, pull the yarn. Now I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll turn my work. These 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. Now I'll make 2 more chains for the chain 2 gap. So total 5 chains. Now what we have to do is we have to skip 1 double crochet from here, and in the third double crochet here, don't worry about these loops, I'll adjust it afterwards. In the third double crochet, skipping 1 double crochet here, in the third one I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and now I'll make 4 double crochets inside these 2 chain loops, 2 double crochet here and 2 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I've made 2 double crochet inside these chain 2 loops and 2 double crochet inside these chain 2 loops, but I've not made 1 double crochet in between. Now I'll make chain 2, 1 and 2, and in the bottom, in the middle one here, in the second double crochet, or in between second and third double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and again inside these 2 loops I'll make 2 double crochets. This way I'll make chain 2, inserting my hook in the second or in between second and third double crochet, chain 2, and I'll follow the same pattern. 2 double crochet here, 2 double crochet here, and then in between 1 double crochet with a gap of chain 2. And likewise, I'll complete this round till here. I'll see you at the end of the round to tell you what we have to do next. So I'm here at the end of the round, and now I am skipping 1 double crochet here. In the second one, I'm making 1 double crochet, chain 2, and in the last chain 3 which we have made at the start, in the top chain, third chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. So likewise, I've completed this round, and I'll repeat the similar round again by making a turning chain of 3 and chain 2, which will count as chain 2 gap, 1 double crochet on 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 4 double crochets in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. So basically you have to repeat second, third round on and on and on. So I'll keep repeating second, third round. After this round, again I'll make 1 double crochet in between these 4 double crochet with a gap of chain 2, and 2 double crochet in these two spaces with this color. So I basically am changing my colors every 2 rounds to give it a nicer look. Or else, if you want, you can continue the pattern in the similar color as well. So I'll continue with a few more rounds, and I'll see you after completing. I don't know how many rounds I'm going to complete, but I'll try to do a few more rounds, and I'll see you at the end of this pattern. Alright, so here I have completed my patch of the stitch. The stitch is very simple, very straight, especially for the beginners, only with double crochet. And go ahead and try to make something out of this stitch. This stitch is kind of very fun going stitch, and you will have a lot of fun while making this stitch, because this is super simple with only repetition of row 2 and row 3 on and on. So go ahead and try to make one. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. Keep supporting me. Thank you.